ewo menhia ekoba say say abrantie bi hyiaeso constituency na etuo ya omude ya yi na there was an apprehension because member of parliament and deputy minister for finance in the person of Sticker. Now owo honomo na ye betia no say abrantie bi the toy gun ni bi ko hurehura no dem say yes ono so twituo
the boys didi agro
I know they call just so who yan so atwituo no say em say jama hey and you say MP so atwituo no kra wo mu no ma me ne Odesheba Frank enjotwe nkomo Odeshe good morning.
Good morning.
Now what to say? Okay. Odeshe me ho ye dodo odom adom ye awrade abie pronunti apie ede na si ye ewo Hyiaeso constituency ISO ye say mo MP atwituo eya mama ye na ye tse asasem kese bi na asi go etuo de emu osum te e ba sa obi e ka de oka wo ye member Hyiaeso constituency MPP ede na si ye mentio
Omanhene Yaw Edi kan ma min se trefo ene me clear ama obia actress emse ensem no akogawa na yese ni oti anti ni oti enso ngu asutire ana oman eliase no so yese se ni wuchiu ehia wasa
ochiane
na wachiane pa
eno de ochiane pa
na mo Nina ne say Saturday na ekubi airline che omo eku ewo Akasumanso.
Okay.
Enti omo invite MP Yera Dr. Sebinamwa.
That's right.
Enti ewiano ye nyina ekubi ene nam. So free incline back constituency no mo most of times baby obekubi aya na edi ekire. Enti eko program no yama MP kwan amena kasa ewie. Na Yera Stika obi a say ye nam constituency ni musa ana ye ko program after program no obi make sure so obi check obi a
yeah he's fond of that
nti nti o kasa wiye no na wa wuni matasuma so better boys ye ga enuanom emrantie ya ya tramo ni wi di o mo fa no kwa nti o kasa wiye na ye ba foka no o ye na gine say obi check boys no nti o check awomo na when you check here astroturf Watasuma.
That's right.
Nti ache the boys so dey wa na go mudi agro nti bi eyi o magine so mbebu say nti say astroturf na che nti no brebe na ebewie
okay
yes so ye na gine so obechichire mu ama o mati ase but eja ye say obi a ni da ho ene obi a ni na ho oni ni nsem kan ye no ya na sonko kakra ti wo mo still na omo nti ase ana yenianom NDC fo no bi nso ho enti ase na omo fuwa wo nsem kan yenum enti yakwa ya woni wo makasa yi ama MP yi 1000 Ghana cedis sika adi ama boys no aye beko enti yakwa ana boys ni bi ba se MP sika na wo di mai ni menye bi no so ko kana me de mu sika nyina asa nti ga ba ko ya no say 200 cities e de ma so no mkoe no hala fufuro ye foka no na fufuro samba MP sika no mo so mo maye etu si fum say sika no ko have the ode ma no ana o si from ye si for my idea ti akoka say ye say ba ye ba na boy ba ko e no everyone to my work on me do it in my show. Na me di etua eden. Esuso. Ano to ye papa 3. It fact me kwa me yemu seminti ye wana jam ye fact. E fact kan chita etu de aso which say e original and I say any original. Unya ke sound na net o my unya mu.
I want to say is oko.
One ke sound ndi na say uku. But when you sound ready, now the William, Iti me te papa na me yɛ me yam se me na me dwane fa ka na kisa. Ana me kura me dwane ja MP na me kɔfo ka. Ana MP so eyi ni die. Ɔman na me ni mukure ni MP antutu ɛwɔ atasoma so. Iti ebra boy ni to editorial no so to ye no. Ana onu ni ni dia boy ni ejane ye. Kimi ni aba akɔ ka ho Sabiola. Ana wa opinion say chief foka no me nko foka na ja. MP before car and to free ho. If some like MP akotwitio, MP akotwitio, or my MP ankotwitio, a boy idea boy ni ye no, and a ma no so any idea. So my and no so who ko into idiwati. Now go what ma so much na me de bo akira wo so a my own gabede.
Friend, apprehension of fear. Apprehension of fear. It's at that moment in the crown. Me, Sabi Wotia. Because be uncle Beto. Because say you be say you be because my mimi say I don't know, meeting council go for. Okay, audition by Mame and Kwahomano Sona, Emsamisaka. Opening name, Doctor Steven Amo name. Doc, good morning.
Morning, Minia.
Now, what to say?
Yanko Padumo, me think I'm a giant comedian.
I'm sorry, that woman to you.
Oh, I didn't cry or this young crying, and I'm sure say, only be 100%. Now, Mina boy, I need to run so now. We are there. Naga, said you young see me no.
Hey,
Tanya, I could go kakra. And to be a me chimney to the Camedicato.
Yes,
yes. Mamma can be intro, but and yet toy. Madam Catcho, or area honor. At a small area honor by Senator, with a Muslim coffee. Mungo with a chief imam, Mungo with a queen mother, Mungo with a honor, any area was a boy, you know. Menkaso mu na ewiase akwa papa na boni ho but do na they are into drugs omo adua ama me chief imam officially I report to say kwa be ne bafa so a the police so ya ba be yiwo mafi ho na me ankasa say that kwa na be under privilege do omo share that etimi no omo ye fa kasa bia na bia sesa boni mi team to da kwa mi team for omo muska na makokasa program say ba. And then see some chill, mother bought, and so almost say this is assembly man. If this will my average job, I send the secret chair woman. The got chair woman. Now, the Ukrainian assembly man, arm for almost a study, making a bonnet and your if you are not almost parkers and you are also tough, you are at a mouse, and I delay an idea and a crab boys needed them to delay. It's a chair woman, and only that I could say, I know. You're parking. I didn't never be more body to Jessica, and you know, I begin to move. And I'm so, it cross our buff, me the papa and a contract and the Yama Hammy. Eti anya ebufompo. Eti omo se me mo musika.
Ono
abo musika. Me mo musika no, ba akokora de obetra me ka yanim de, obegira anim de, eniama aguso so me yanko. Ana asa agro na nya ebufu. Ana ono so saji 200 account me wo 10 million. Ba fe na asa hakre. Sapi no so bia somata de na chi. Ahwemi say it's me amusu me dam ani no na boy na akunji kakra na for the tiara no so and I'm still trying to learn so now when in the entire amanto and yema me because me no I'm trained e be obi na mo office price so dey unyim hwe so obi treat you na o say aggressive decision no obeku a o twa dey asa woto na wonya 100% sure o run a finger na atu kokomoti no so no your 5 fingers. That a yin Saswana Ufi Kokomutina.
The Twasono, yes. Yeah, they grew up.
So be a our morning in a so be cool. Left here no first. Into would do any shot no. Or Peja no the Akamekuno. It was Peja. That short time no, man, who's Peja. And I'm Musa, I should be careful, Kakra. It's also was a mission work, you know. And I crano, or you have any plan with Johnny. Now you see. the way an boy ni kura to me say nka CCTV camera na ko ha sa utum say ya training da ni tuto sa bad boys no mu jitia no ma turn no horizontal no aye ni nsase no da hwe oso ni anya normal etuo so okura say ebi a o dibi di agroko oni bia no opeso ye ade ba tia mo se tiger na me ya fe no mi ko jina ni nchen enko mu se tiger and ma twene de na na je bi dan ko we and central region MP no ne yire ana ba MP ndu ga ba na yire enfelu do ni wa ba tro ha nware fofo papa me body mi team na obi twituo dia ne sofo pasalanso ko twituo ametwene de ade de mo obi anye mistake dan pare obi twituo a obi twituo to dia we media practitioner na your politician and now wuti krom na fi atwemi sutuo me de enkwamode ni mu me ma me anwome me nyi awodi no de bomi wi a mama twisoroku abaka o rest in peace o seka no oye o na na ni so asebo ni papa na masu after 1 week why na me ba we to no ba o why na ba no etimi ni anya bone hwe ansi antokwa bi ansi de ye oba twetwe ni de mini na ni say within 30 minutes no be send the video san kwa no nka so no ka me ni no ba dodo no mo e sa hood wo no ba bi o mo so ya basabasa no mo ni mimi aba no wo NDC ena nam ebo apro okay ba enukure ni girl no nya sa woman NDC no nya basabasa ena NDC from suma bo ani so no kumi wo mo nye man dan kure ni bi wo mo nte politics ase
yes
etebia sa bone na ono so ja enu ebi obobi ni ade nti afa ni team za ni mami nku papa yi ebi so obi ebi kwa me huni pa bi na akoka che o mu se o mu ni me bone cause ma nya hwe
all right
etimi ni asem na no ano no o twetio na me twe ya wa nto me so ma nto na obi akofie
Dr. Stephen Aboa medase
minia ya mi sha opa
sha osopa wa kirem oso ma metwi soroku amuko wi a of the brass band akofie na wotwe na ne ba esu enti no ano no tiawa wa kirem enra nana dan kwa kufu ado ede na probo ba wiye no ofa menua ye Kinedu ed ho ewo kejetia na 2023 anado ba Kumasi kofa ho it became a trending video say a man omo Hello FM oma bona anado dan kwa kufu ado etutio ama ene ebe ya twetwe nanra baby a bonu tutio na papa is na papa ipi ono na adani mini rally awano
Oklahoma omo otwem chese omo twi omo ni kura se
asenyo no kura na etwem
omo man no kura enenra
na enra
dia
chese
day Kumasi anopa be 10:30
the whole place was blocked.
This area a no go area
se obetwem no na nipa kakra wo ho na omo tese one Kinedu adi din komo no na amanfo be gu oso omo twen no na nyuma a wote free education yenye wudeni ye pray hey say Nanado French no kind no say Laja the company the French no kind say Ya oni asante bo amount me hu ade we ambo fupa.
Le PDD.
Oh, French here, baby.
Nanyo na wo to French.
Me to French, me ma fancy.
France by.
Na me special French ne dia me nya na do de ni bio na want to me ka French.
Hey, sir.
Dabi.
Oh, we do bit like.
Oh. E ba cho wa na betima send me sa French no.
Les gens le PDD
le era no ni le.
Ogo jani French you have yango.
And ono e konso ye no French thesis so ye call France ne call mark here. What French? Ba nya me anim ni. De nipa ye no ho. Me de metima ka se ho. Ofata basobo no me de abono no. Because the latter part of Akufo-Addo commissioner or commission de yaw. Ehu. And then I'm saying person friends you can pay the no. Because what the never see for. Now people are even attacking communicators. What you hear in Ghana today say let papa why you win na. And almost what Bobo Sia, Etibusiano, one fine yashi no. Asante man temwa, and ra say we are for my friend, almost say. Oh my Mr. Munkanche minister, so yeah, quite no. Yes, you are train your commissioning. Patrick Regional Hospital, Nyamo Diawai. Yeah, it's a regional hospital.
Okay.
For region Nina. But has a money a day, I be simple. As a move some of France and EFA. After 4 10 or more dear. Oh, share infrastructure part dear. I can tell you, say. Now, a bimo. Now, when you mention free SHS, our boys in the say, Masa, Fato check.
French, no more about.
L'argent de.
Brighter do what you say.
Then also come in to
l'argent a me pas le prix.
L'argent am pas le prix.
Am pas le prix.
But can't you say it in French? Nana, am pas na mi uni.
Am pas na uni. Na sa mi sumi chaka kra.
O si anapa, o si anapa.
Le PDD.
Le PDD.
Me di le de ba.
Hey! But I don't know if this will change any dynamics in the elections, but Akufo-Addo is a strategic politician.
Fellow Ghanaians, as the French would say, l'argent n'aime pas le bruit.
L'argent n'aime pas le bruit.
Money does not like noise.
Sika MPDD. But just how you mami? French way. I am in the pa. Obi always go in the debut.
L'argent n'aime pas le bruit.
N'aime pas le bruit.
Money does not like noise. Sika MPDD.
Okay. Asante.
Amen.
Mami mra unche.
Oh, me the mechanism we say nru anana sa ko menhia. Say obedi ade no an oko ho.
Eti Mumfire menhia videos no.
Na me kudi nkomo kokra wo. Me ade ba ko nru ana ye very stock for me say o manpanyin a o kasa na o hwese na e kasa no na say be odi ni segu na chi ana say with all humility, ade ba accept in spite of us we one tenacity all the presentation said oh yeah no che wugina ho kama o man na do baba ye ne die amagana ne asanteman so we have few days to leave office oba ade ba kwa me the make us monumental o ye ma asanteman airport no
oh yes
why ade ba ko waye ba ko ye mpan se Sewua hospital other hospitals are now born homodin so be ba ku bi mu a was start ya na nsusu na nkode beji ndim pa ye G hospital na ye maternity blog no it was one of because hospital na isi almost 50 years 1974
akona anymore
and so oborn homodin
I think I passed there last week
name baby ba ko am I say I had been kakrapa central market project and then Ukraine adwadefo no a sebi no mo ho na ye this base so to other settler market no they have gone through whole lot intermediate make say mpanimfo na kanda say bema be yi bi ni na o mampanyi kufo ba e wanya hwe kra na ye kan G near Kufuji, an extension of G, or Bayan Homo, Bobon Homodin. And I have a Prempe International International Airport. So we are, and then military hospital, no so war affair, minimum so about commission and
yeah, I'm told says we are over commission, say we are afari, and oba why tepa ne omuguso obewie why be quite konongo kumau fomna sabronum drobonso twede and anomanye. I mean, we can mention almost about 12 to, and for Chrome, I'm told I'm here bit maybe for Chrome agenda 111 and no. It is almost done. Abia before 6 January 28.
Almost I say I can walk there, maybe I'm those days in the so I can't. I must say a coso. As of that time, the current state of
but when it comes to health infrastructure, Ashanti region, you can't take a Kufuor. About no more than chair president. When it comes to roads, we Rollins 1996, Lemex Bow, any Abu, Rollins asphalted Kumasi's roads for the first time. After 2006, now I expire. And it trapped him for a interchange away. Asqua and Asafo and or say Yasi. So for like Akufo-Addo my Boakye why extending no I fair. And when it comes to road infrastructure, Ashanti region Kwano, Omanhene Yaw schools. Come on. For infrastructure wise, the M say he will go down as because overcast on my parent your mama free so near when it comes to infrastructure, what will be but we did across Ghana. No president, Fourth Republic, will be to my castle. Why are they check Kufuor? I stand for correction, but the many with dear Nancy our Navy barracks. Baumia could be or more barracks buildings now. Omusima ifo no police no kokohe navy for dia yayama and abusa se na prison for ne fire service for omuso munya bi ma omo immigration for so am to so omo de eba na omo de ni nyina asie Ghana for why was it strategic for the last hour election to ukoto abana na hospital no otrima na sade ya wa mi tie osuti awa na henkomra Barcelona no share 3 Asante Ade. Breast. Omo breast no income. Yes, I must say.
And I shall train 10 minutes to time. I'm about to take
almost a 3 training.
Fair no do. Rotterdam.
I'll meet you. Daily Dispatch.
Daily Dispatch. Honorable, you say Honorable Nana Kwesi Ewa.
Yes.
Company from PMMC pressure.
Yeah, minerals
mining.
Company. Yeah, Ghana. Or when I toy you gold near they free.
Yes. Now, yes, if I pay what 2021.
Okay.
Yes, we are na a card that number 70 million Ghana cedis in actually.
Dollars. Because Ghana cedis the end is Omoneka. Tell me I can wait to meet you.
Honorable Nana say what? I say na that man into your papa dia to ma Ghana ye tope. Yes, papa. Ye tope about gold ne. Us Africa crisis about BT South Africa.
Yeah.
Ama ene ukuri ase nyina se de we see streamline e kwan fa so ye gold ho dwadie se amanfo bi kra de bi fa baby de fa Dubai nom ne ade na yenim hu ya obekaya papa ya asafo ma fo ko Dubai bi
ka so
koma figures bi ma
gold wo ho nya gron so de kra nya fa so
ne ye nya fa so nti eno na ene omo hwe Daily Dispatch de bokrata na hwe eye PMMC adwuma owura no aba beye since 2021 Wow. Managing Director
and the home be here because of the gold purchase policy Bank of Ghana Ade Akye Abia very strategic partner to Bank of Ghana any Ghana as say it in toto yenya ebetimi asay and I go for oil na ba me am introduce here no because PMMC adwumaku a ye gold ho nsem dodo na jewelry num ne ade nyina no etimi fi say oye strategic partner ma Ghana na omo kire say wa bon homoden your friend say
your friend honorable Nana Kwesi
Ewua nya Kwesi Ewua ya Kwesi Ewua so for Kwesi Ewua na busuani no ana
we Kwesi Ewua woto gold
a small scale for any galam say for adamfo
mo so obe streamline
omu gold ni ade because PMMC uko NDC manifesto ma eshim uko MPP manifesto ma eshim how they will work and streamline our gold sale in Sanya no private government
recently yana me be say government
it has been government since but I say now you can't go do one sem dodo
no more office was Santas run about
yes and the man say I'm say papa uti out na say PMMC is in the news a lot. I think it's done well. Maka semba ko say Ghana hayaw. Ya o nyina haye leadership o. Oh, me say oba constitution bi, state housing company. Share a virus.
Yes. Nana Pia.
Share Nana Pia.
Where the why state housing company.
Share Ghana publishing company. David Asante. Now me buso sad time now David Asante inquiry na Ghana publishing company dey niwo
na kota ni enimu kura
na ba for kura nim
ene wa ya be branch Kumasi Ashanti region
CEO kura na wo je sika ni di ye NDC time wo je sika di ye bi hwe Tamale refinery papa ya oba hai he made Tamale refinery vibrant no kura ba ko pe e wada ko any bust he single-handedly up NDC be free power for 1 year, not oil chief executive officer. The only person now to handle 2 oil companies. Boston Tamale refinery. Now to me,
now
to me, Emma Fango, Yanane Fango, almost about 40 to 60% of Tamale refinery. Oh, free on the mobile scene. Tamale refinery. As you go say after 2 years or 3 on my way. As you say 2 years.
When you 2 years, 2 years.
So it tells you say somebody like a Wadako. Me say about leadership. Or NDC mo. Na NDC Ghana Publishing Company egu. And so that Tamale refinery was vibrant during his time. Oh, over to menya minister bi. Ewo baby, Shasenso. Ayi amakwata you asenso it's as if say Ghana kwan no ne abobo gudem and asenso na be rolling even though normally I'm a contract but prudent and strategic way of doing things any nipa relationship with it asenso has been able to bring all contractor bi we be seen yen say dem tuanika o and so asenso tima convince na man ye kwan oh Ghana
a free BB monitoring and evaluation.
Yeah, no, the late Koto say.
The problem pa ne
say minister.
So no free on after second term na omo scrapping.
Problem pa ne sa de no. Se sa ministry nimpo no. Si ebegugu ministry bi. Ne atesa monitoring and evaluation ministry no.
Yeah, Paul be oye tough.
Oye tough. O metrena office but obekọ grounds. Akwa monitor na akwata agenda 111 hospital yi so ko for recruitment you say contractor na oye adwuma no we about 70% near completion back o baby ko 10% for contractor
yes
but you say we adwuma na o raise certificate
ne resource o ebi e ball aselase
again na sa contractor we do 70% na we dey
over 70 cry
there should be somebody all monitor or when so ball aselase a yenya adwuma no mfam free won se me mfam obi a sakota yes aniama no a yenkonya political contractors no a ye de aniama koma mo be kwakọ wiase na akwakonwe ne si o ebibrema say ye problem pa
Okay, Ricardo. Barcelona the ball no yenimbo. And no 3. Man City yesi 81 minutes. Man City moment on condemn.
Mr. Barcelona pa Antonio condemn there. Memphis to Man City. Barcelona.
Na Man City depend Barcelona. Oh, bra Barcelona boy be na Man City.
Omanhene Champions League.
And one boys in Sunday me we say Barcelona versus Brest. Barcelona versus Brest.
First day many boss na Brest. Timi ko na e nka ho.
Oba kweta no fo bi ada no fo.
Masa we nye.
E na best sa no.
Ba cho e sisa no.
Akweta e tu sisa.
Especially Brest say. BREAST. And we mu ye BREST.
E go kwa na e krumpu
e Brest. E Brest.
Na ba ku bi na me the nipple no.
Ricardo, now you just say, we may introduce it as also the cup breast.
Breast for no player, your friend Brazil. Team never hear me support to France. Me support to me support to
player you are never friend say.
No friend Brazil.
Bob breast. Aquaro fucking.
That is saying is serious pronunciation no na ya na.
Player no. Your friend Brazil.
So na.
Team no ball.
We emphasis how you dey me slow. And you come watching. Who say you emphasis?
Na some no emphasis na me party ase.
So much as you. What say as a player friend.
But just player na friend say. Brazil. And about team be.
No breast.
Oh, when did you?
Ada Brest ne po be sia wo Champions
League. Team be na friend ne po.
Ba ku bi no. From say Nepo Mombo Nepo Stadium no so their friend say.
Naples. Napoli. Omo ball Naples. And now they do Yaw ama.
Enye Nepo.
Oh, Yaw Jajo.
My name is Kwesinyantich. In this region, sports is all about Sompa sport.
For the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world. Are you